What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So matagal na akong hindi nakapag-react sa ating Chris Brown ng Pinas. Daddy Sauce. Tama ba? Daddy Sauce. Skasta Kleeman. So, may bago siyang official music video. I think this is not a new song. At least, recent song niya to. Isa sa mga recent songs na nirelease niya. But this is the official music video. So, ito ay entitled Kalimutan Ka. Ito yung naririnig ko sa TikTok. But I'm not very sure. And yun nga, matagal na akong hindi nakapag-react sa kay Skasta Kleeman and other mga artist, no, mga like Flo G or yung J. Roa or kung sino man yung mga dito sa genre na to. So if you guys want me to react to other artists, i-comment nyo sa baba and put the link on sa video so that I could see it right away and make a reaction video for it. Okay? So if bago kayo dito, huwag nyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Okay? Let's hit 100,000 subscribers on or before my birthday. Okay, May yung birthday ko. So, yan yung goal natin. Makakuha tayo ng silver play button. And you can also follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go! Woo! Uy! Gitara. Very tight din yung drums, ha? Galing pa naman ang banda nito ni Skasta Kleeman. Naka-follow ako sa kanila eh. Gagaling yan. Okay, I know that Skasta Kleeman is very talented, no? Nakaka-gitara siya, he can play a little bit of keys, drums, nakakasayaw siya. But naninibago lang ako siguro na nagigitara siya dito, no? Na parang ano siya, pop alternative rock yung dating niya, which is very far, maybe close but not really that close sa kanyang usual na hip-hop, R&B or pop R&B songs. Woo! Galing nung guitar line, no? Grabe. Masilayan ko. Nice. Astig ah. Okay, this only proves that Skasta Kleeman is very talented and also very flexible. 'Di ba? Bigla siyang nag-switch ng genre sa songwriting niya. Although, ando naman yung yung taste or yung trademark ni Skasta Kleeman in terms of vocals, in terms sa kanyang delivery, but yung musicality niya dito medyo nag-iba. It's because it's a full band, no? Very different from the usual Skasta Kleeman na very electric driven yung musicality or yung music. So, this only proves that he can do and he can evolve no? Pwede siyang ganon. Pwede siya dito, pwede siya doon, ganon. Galing ng bassline. Yung drummer na dito si si Sir Ken. Idol ko yan sa drums. Sila yan. What? What? He can shred, bro. Yay. What? Grabe talented is Kastakli, man. Soft. Pasok yung banda. Yan na. Sauce. Love it, man. Woo! Bro. In fairness naman kay Chris Brown ng Pinas, man. Lodi. Ang galing. People will hate him, but undeniably, he's very, very, very talented artist. Galing, hands down. Hindi ko na-expect yung yung guitar solo niya, yung parang konting shred, may mga licks doon na ginawa siya, no. Speechless ako doon. Alam mo kasi marunong siyang mag-gitara ganun, but I didn't know that he can do such complicated na thing, no? Shredding or guitar licks are not simple. Okay, may mga siguro, depende sa scale, depende sa ganun, but what he did was really impressive. Okay, based sa narinig natin, it was very impressive. Hindi man ako gitarista, but I've worked with so many guitar artists, no, mga gitarista sa iba't ibang banda, sa pagsisession ko sa iba't ibang banda. I've worked with many guitar artists, and indeed, sa pag-guitar licks, it's not about the speed. Just like the drums, it's not about the chops, the speed. It's about simplicity, how you do it, if you do it right or wrong, if you do it too extra, too fancy, no. But what he did in this music, in this song, is just about right, na talagang that hits the spot. Yeah, that was good. And kudos to the band. Galing. Pero di mo akalain, 'di ba? Their playing was just very controlled, soft, very pop-ish talaga yung dating, pop rock ganon. Pero ito mga itong banda ni Skastakli, yung mga musicians niya, from drums to keys to bass to to the lead guitar. Itong nasa ano, di ko sure if it's Chris Mana, I'm not sure if yun yung pangalan ng gitarista niya. But and yung bass player na si Anthony, si Ken, and I'm not familiar with the keys though. Parang hindi siya kasi yung minsan nagki-keys sa kanya is si Chris or yung bassista na si Anthony. No? I don't know. Nakalimutan ko. I'm not sure with their names pero yun yung na-remember ko. Okay, naka-follow ko sa kanila sa Facebook and sa TikTok eh. Lodi din yan sila. Magagaling yan. If you want them to do solo, nakaka-solo din yan sila. Anyway, that's it. And congrats kay paring Costa Kleeman. You rocked. Very talented guy. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.